I was trying to come up with an investment in case if I couldn't afford to keep the house, I would be able to sell it. The sign of the times that needed something to be able to sell the house. And the windmills was the first thing I thought of. And that's kind of how I got started. Right now I've had about 4 years. 1 month it could save you a lot of money and only pay maybe $50 or $100 in your electric. But I also would recommend to go with solar panels as a backup, just because the summertime when the winds will die out when it gets up to 80 degrees temperature. The winds die out real quick. Right now they're just set up for windy days, and the solar panels are set up for sunny days. So between the two of them, they work pretty good. We used to have a $500 bill a month on electric. If you bought the brand new one right from the store, it'd be around $500, the size of ones I'm making. If you do it at home, you can do it for about $120. Mine are putting out about 80 watts of electricity.
Alright, this is my Mercedes 300 SD. It's a turbo diesel, which means that it's a diesel. I run it on vegetable oil, like waste vegetable oil, and filter it down to 1 micron, and I put a few separate things on it. One thing I do have to do is I have to plug a block heater in, which is over here. This thing does run on straight vegetable oil in the summertime when it's warm, but in the winter I have to cut it with diesel, or else the vegetable oil will gel up. And also to aid it, I put a fuel filter heater over here and injector heaters over here, and I made them out of nichrome wire. I did all this by myself. It was fairly easy to change it over to run on vegetable oil, but it works really well. I get about 30 miles per gallon city, about 35 highway.